Hello everyone, just a quick update on my creative journal from Planners Anonymous that I'm turning into my Taylor Swift lyric journal. So I want to show you that. I've made some progress. I went ahead and I did all the waterfall pages for her first album. So we have a blank page and then it goes into her first album. And then each song, the lyrics to the songs, and it's just some things I wanted to notate about them as well. Like this one, Teardrops on My Guitar. It was released on my birthday in 2007. Things like that. This is where I'm at right now. And then all of these are still blank, but there's enough pages for all the tracks on this particular album. And all of these stickers are from the creative kit, the digital kit. So I went ahead and I printed all these stickers and these washi strips and put them together here. And then this is actual washi. And then the end, and then this is where I will review the album and maybe mark my favorite song or something like that. So I love it. I think it's going to be great. It's all ready to go for the first album. I just need to continue to sit down, relax, and write down the lyrics, and then we'll go into album number 2. And I will, decorate all of this with the different chapters, Planners Anonymous kit, and so on and so forth, so you can kind of see where it's going. So this little section right here, you can see that the sides kind of mimic each other. They encase these shorter pages. And so that is for album number 1, her self-titled album. My voice is weird. And then, like I said, all the pages inside for her lyrics. Love it. Pretty. So I thought I would show you how far I've gone. I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.